I'm Emily, and I thought today would be just another ordinary day. I woke up to my alarm, ready for a usual day of classes, but when I checked my phone, there was a message that would change everything. My favorite author, whose books inspired me to study literature, was visiting my city for a surprise book signing. I sat in the campus cafe, my mind racing. I knew I couldn't miss this opportunity. Making a spontaneous decision, I skipped my usual routine and headed to the bookshop where the signing was happening. The thrill of deviating from my plan was both nerve-wracking and exhilarating. The bookshop was packed. I waited in line, clutching the book that meant so much to me. I practiced what I would say 100 times in my head. As my turn came, I was a bundle of nerves. There she was, the author whose words had guided me through my toughest times. I introduced myself, and we talked briefly about her books and my studies. She signed my book with a personalized message. It was surreal. After leaving the bookshop, I went to the park. I needed to process the day. I opened the book to the sign page, reading the message over and over. Today was a reminder of why I pursued my passion for literature. In the evening, I video called my best friend to share every detail. Her excitement mirrored mine. We talked about dreams, aspirations, and taking chances. Today was more than a memorable day. It was a turning point. Before bed, I wrote in my journal, capturing every moment. Today was not just another day. It was a day that would always remind me to embrace the unexpected. It was truly a day to remember.